An essential oil diffuser is a fantastic addition to any space. They are great for cleaning the air in your bedroom, bathroom, or kitchen, humidifying the air in your area, and bringing elegant aromas to your nose wherever it goes. There are tons of options out there to choose from, so it can be challenging to make a decision. So if you are looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. The doTERRA Pedal Diffuser is a small, user-friendly diffuser that delivers health-promoting benefits to your family and home. It has a relaxing mist and soft white ambient light, making it ideal for nighttime diffusion, and can cover up to 330 square feet. This pedal diffuser has 3 timed settings, with 1, 2, and 4 hours allowing you to customize essential oils release into the air. It permeates an ultra-fine, yet substantial mist output into the air, releasing the aromatic and therapeutic benefits of doTERRA CPTG essential oils quickly and safely. Plus, this high-quality, affordable diffuser is perfect for both novice and experienced essential oil users who want a reliable, easy-to-use essential oil diffuser. Looking for a simple way to smell better in your room? Then URPOWER Ultrasonic Aroma Essential Oil Diffuser is a wise choice. This oil diffuser comes with an advanced ultrasonic vaporizing diffusion technology that quietly releases a soothing, fragrant mist for up to 6 hours. It offers an automatic shut-off safety system. When waterless, protects the product from being burned out. The diffuser's humidifier function adds moisture to the air to help you sleep better, cough less, and alleviate dry sinuses. Plus, this handy unit also diffuses your favorite scented oils without heat, so their holistic properties stay intact. Once the water runs out, it will shut off automatically to protect the device. Raindrop 2.0 Nebulizing Diffuser is perhaps the most substantial and unique nebulizing essential oil diffuser. It uses a whisper-quiet, ultra-durable air pump to naturally atomize pure essential oil into millions of tiny microparticles your body can absorb quickly. Also, it has an elegant LED rainbow carousel mood lighting that can be turned off or on. Besides, a sturdy base is topped with a custom-blown, conical glass reservoir with a candle wick opening. On the other hand, it offers an individually hand-blown glass reservoir that measures approximately 5 inches wide and 19 inches tall. Moreover, its powerful atomizing technology uses minimum essential oils, but is suitable for a large room as big as 800 square feet. Another advantage is that the unit can work on 110 and 220 volt electrical outlets and comes with an electrical plug adapter. Designed out of the highest quality, hand-milled ceramic porcelain. Next, we have Vitruvi Stone Diffuser. It uses ultrasonic vibrations without heat and therefore keeps essential oils in full integrity. It offers a beautiful matte ceramic finish, which is unique, sophisticated, and can fit into any space. You can choose between a 3-hour continuous setting or a 7.5-hour interval setting, depending on your needs. Also, it provides an optional warm colored light that can be used whether the machine is diffusing or not. Besides, it is made with a hand-milled ceramic cover and contains an easy-to-clean water basin made of BPA-free, high-grade plastic. Moreover, it has a 100 milliliter capacity and it uses 10 to 20 drops of essential oil to diffuse up to 540 square feet. The VicTsing Cool Mist Essential Oil Diffuser can last for 6 to 8 hours with a water tank capacity of 300 milliliters. It is designed with a waterless auto-off function, and it will turn off automatically after 5 seconds when water runs out, for your safety and the protection of the aroma diffuser as well. It has adopted an ultrasonic technology, which is extremely quiet when working. It gives out ultra-fine and smooth mist, which can soften and moisten dry and chapped skin in winter with an air conditioner on. Also, it is coated with wood grain, which makes it look very natural and primitive. Besides, it can run up to 10 hours of continuous output and automatic power off when water is used up, which ensures safety. The ASAKUKI Smart Wi-Fi Essential Oil Diffuser has a large 700 milliliter water tank capacity to work through the night for best results. The diffuser's light can be turned off or dimmed, so it will never disturb your sleep. You can download the Tuya Smart app that is suitable for every smartphone and tablet for your convenience, and turn the aroma diffuser on and off or change the mode. The humidifier can set scheduled timers and countdown timers through the Tuya Smart app so that you can adjust it to your needs for maximum results every time. It is entirely toxin-free so that it can be safe for everyone, even small babies. This device will humidify the air, so you will no longer suffer from dry skin and lips. The diffuser will create the perfect environment so you can breathe and sleep better, relax, and feel better than ever. Further, the diffuser is compatible with Amazon Echo, so it can operate with Alexa for easy use. Hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.